In this video, we're going to show you everything you can't miss on a trip to Phuket, the largest and most famous island in Thailand. We'll guide you through the best beaches, boat tours, temples, night markets, where to eat, where to stay, nearby cities to visit, the best time to go, how to get around, and all the practical tips to plan your perfect trip. Let's go! Phuket is located in southern Thailand and is a true tropical paradise. It offers crystal-clear beaches, stunning islands, vibrant nightlife, and excellent hotels. The best time to visit is from November to April, when the weather is drier and more stable, with temperatures between 28 and 33 degrees Celsius. From May to October, it rains more often, usually in the afternoon. But you can still enjoy the trip. Ideally, stay at least 5 full days, and if possible, 6 or 7 to experience everything calmly. The main attraction here is, of course, the beaches. The most famous is Patong Beach, with a wide stretch of sand, lots of bars, and lively atmosphere day and night. If you're looking for something more peaceful, head to Kata Beach, which has calm water and great structure. Another beautiful option is Karen Beach, with soft sand and many restaurants nearby. And don't miss Freedom Beach, a more secluded spot surrounded by nature, accessible by boat or trail. A must-do activity is the boat tours to the nearby islands. The most popular is the Phi Phi Islands tour, with stops for snorkeling, swimming, and breathtaking scenery. Full-day tours usually cost between $40 and $60, including snacks and transport. Another great tour is to James Bond Island in Phang Nga Bay National Park, famous for its dramatic limestone cliffs rising from the sea. And if you're new here on the channel, welcome! Our mission is to help you travel more and better around the world. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe to the channel and like it. That really helps us. Another nice stop is the Big Buddha, a giant 45-meter-tall statue located on a hill. Entry is free, and the panoramic view from the top is amazing. Nearby is Wat Chalong, the most important temple on the island, also with free admission. And for the best sunset in Phuket, go to Promthep Cape, a scenic viewpoint in the south. But don't worry. In the description of the video and on the QR code on the screen, we'll leave the link to the website where we always buy tickets and tours for the lowest prices. It's the biggest tour website in the world and has practically everything. Tickets for all attractions, tours, and day trips to nearby cities, all at the best price, and you can pay in any currency, saving on fees. And they also offer free tours that are amazing. And just so you know, on that same page, we organize everything you need to build your trip for the lowest possible price. The websites we use for all our trips, and that always offer much cheaper options. Travel SIM card, travel insurance for half the price, tickets for all attractions, great cheap hotels we've stayed in, affordable car rentals, and a global account to carry money with lower fees. The links already include automatic discounts, so save and use that page. It'll make your trip a lot easier. Also visit the Old Town, Phuket Town, with colorful colonial buildings, galleries, cafes, and small shops. On Sundays, the Sunday Market is held, a local street fair with live music, traditional food, and local products. At night, Patong becomes even livelier with the famous Bangla Road, full of bars, nightclubs, and shows. If you like shopping, Phuket has malls like Yung Ceylon in Patong, which has international stores and great restaurants. There are also night markets all over the island, like Chilva Market and Naka Market, with clothes, souvenirs, and delicious street food. In big stores, remember to ask for the tax-free form to get a refund at the airport. We created a custom map that shows exactly the best area to stay there. In the description of the video and the QR code on screen, we'll leave the link to the page that includes this map and also the hotels we've stayed in, which were amazing, including one that was very cheap, super well located, and really good. The best area to stay in Phuket is Patong, where the liveliest beach is, full of bars, shops, and good transport options. Another great option is Kata, which is quieter and perfect for relaxing. In both areas, you can visit at least 5 spots on foot, like beaches, viewpoints, night markets, restaurants, and shops. They're safe, well-structured areas with accommodations for every budget. Getting around Phuket is easiest by renting a car or scooter. Public transport is limited, and taxis are often expensive. If you decide to rent, you'll need an international driver's license and a credit card. We'll leave the link in the description to our rental price comparison tool, which finds prices up to half of what regular agencies charge. Apps like Grab work too, but not everywhere on the island. A great tip is to pick up your rental car right at Phuket International Airport. That way, you avoid spending on taxis or transfers to your hotel. It also saves time, since you won't have to go to a rental agency later. And remember, booking in advance online is always much cheaper and guarantees your car. If you liked the video, like it, and subscribe to our channel so you can keep traveling more and better around the world. Thank you so much, and have a great trip.